What if some of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon could actually make your drive better? From clever tech to surprisingly useful inventions, today we're checking out some of the most interesting car accessories you can get right now. If you love discovering cool car finds, keep watching. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's get into it. Ever notice those ugly scratches piling up on your car's door sills from shoes and daily use? This car door sill protector is a game changer. It's a self-adhesive carbon fiber cover that sticks right on to keep scuffs away. It's easy to install and keeps your car looking fresh. Ever notice those tiny nail scratches building up around your car door handles? They really dull your ride's look after a while. This car door handle protector film is the easy fix. Just stick on the clear, invisible layer to stop scratches and keep your doors looking brand new. Ever wanted cool, private tinted windows but hated how much professional tinting costs? Product number 3 is this car window tint kit, a full DIY set with every tool you need. That means you can do it all at home and skip those big pro bills. Perfect for saving money while getting the look you want. Next up, product number 4. Tired of that boring, faded factory license plate frame dragging down your car's look? This car license plate frame cover adds a sleek touch to boost your ride style instantly, plus it protects those plate corners from dings and scuffs. It's such a simple swap that makes a big difference in how your car feels. Ever notice your tire valve stems get grimy, rusted, or totally clogged with road dirt? Not only does that wreck your wheels vibe, but it can mess with tire pressure over time too. These sleek little valve caps from Amazon solve both issues instantly. Grab yours today and give your tires a tiny, tidy upgrade. Okay, number 6, our summer steering wheel lifesaver. Ever hopped into a sun-scorched car and grabbed that searing, sticky vinyl or leather? This breathable microfiber non-slip cover blocks that brutal heat, stays soft to the touch all day, and locks in your grip. No tools needed for a quick slip-on install either. Hey! Which of these 6 car gadgets was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit subscribe for more roundups. This is video 2 in the series. All the product links are in the description. Thanks for watching.